we're going to take a cold start and vid of the Honda 4Trax 300 4x4, so it's always four-wheel drive. Our dog's being a little weirdo over there, so just do this really quick before my parents get home. They don't like me using the ATV, so let's get her done. Oh, I forgot the key. I gotta get the key. Hang on a second. Full choke, run. Get over there. Oh, she almost fired up. There she goes. See, she settles down pretty easily, like right away. Yeah, it's pretty sweet ATV, I guess. It's just a little 300. I wish it was like a 600, that'd be cool. But, show you how to start this bad boy up. Usually my dad leaves it like that, and I look like a freaking retard, and I try and start it like that. It ain't gonna start, see? Just cranks over. So, just go like that. Starts right up. Should turn up the idling on this thing. It's a little low. Once she's warmed up, she's fine and it's ready to go then. Messing around. You need to turn it off like that. Oops. Or you can just do this. So, pretty cool ATV, I guess. I like riding it around. Goes like 45 maybe on a good day, or on the road, I should say. Should put this key back. Ah, I found it. It goes right up in here. Right behind the stereo. Clever, Dad. Clever, but not clever enough. But, yeah. That's the Honda 4Trax 300 4-wheel drive.